Manawatu home buyers, hello, how are you? What do you think of this one bedroom property? Spacious floor plan, nice little toilet back there, little kitchenette. Got you thinking? I'm joking, it comes with the house you're about to buy. Let's go check it out. First home buyers, this is an absolute must-see. 3 bedrooms, open plan living, large family section. As the Jedi say, buy this house. So Roslyn is a location known by many, loved by all. You're in zone for Ross Intermediate, Freiburg High School, and a short walk to the Roslyn shops. One of the best bakeries in town, might I add. If you think this could be the home for you, you need to give me a call. I'm Jason Ashcroft, the team Jase here at Harcourts. Have a lovely day.